Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at some cases for the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12. And this will fit the Pro models and the regular iPhone 12, all right? So we got the 6.7 inch and the 6.1 inch. Now this is the Argos series case from Clayco. We're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at them. Now, as I said, you can get these cases from Amazon. They got a couple of colors. You got the black color and you got the purple color, okay? So these are the two colors you have. Now, the unique thing about this is it offers a wallet feature as well. So you can see that, you can put some cards in there, and we'll take a look at that as well. The cost is $14.99, although they do have a 6% off currently. So normally it's $15.99, all right? But you're getting $1 off on that, okay? So I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so this is the case for the 6.7 inch iPhone, and this is the Argos Black. This is the black version. Now let's pull this out and see what it looks like. Okay. Now it has a gray back, but they call it black, as you can see right here. And it's got a pattern in the back, and it's not too slippery. You got a matte side. It's kind of TPU, but stiff. And you can tell the back is a little thick because you got this this card feature right there. All right, you pull that out from the bottom, which is kind of unique. I don't think I've seen one like that. So you pull this out from the bottom, put your card in there. Okay. Camera's going to be protected. You got a deep area right there. It's finished as well. Got a little shiny rim around there. Here's your mute switch, your volume up and down rocker, your port for your charging port, and your speakers right there. And then your power button right there, okay? I don't really see any branding. That's Clayco branding right there at the bottom, if you can see that, okay? Pattern inside, and it's not too rigid. It's kind of soft rubber. But let's go ahead and get the iPhone 12 Pro and put it inside. All right, here's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's put this inside. So it's got a nice fit, as you can see. You got some protection for the lip right there. It's not too intrusive. And then the camera is well protected, no problem there. Everything lines up on the bottom, all your ports right there. Your volume button, all that works well. Mute switch. So now this is kind of thick on the back, but it feels good in the hand. It's not too bad. And then you got the space for your cards right here. All right, let's see how our cards fit in there. Okay, so here is a view with cards in it. I was able to put 3 cards in here with no problem. You might can put 4 in here. So that's pretty cool that you can put that in your phone and carry that with you, like your driver's license and your credit card or debit card, whatever you're going to do. So that's pretty unique. And I like that functionality right there. All right. Now here's the purple. This is the 6.7 inch iPhone Max. Again, you got that same functionality right there. If you like that color, there you go right there. Now, as I said, these cases fit the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This is a 6.1 inch version. Same thing here. You got the pull out for the credit card. Sometimes a little hard to get out. So you got the pull out credit card function right there too as well. All right, this is the gray version. Now that was a quick look at the Argos case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Now, one thing I want to mention is this case will not support wireless charge, of course, because you have the wallet situation in the back, and if you put cases in there, cards in there, it's not going to work well, all right? But that's what came from the manufacturer, all right? It won't work with wireless charge, all right? So expect that when you get this case if you want to get it. But it's a nice case, and it's got some good functionality. And again, I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it, all right? If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.